Hola, amics de la mar. Benvinguts al nostre petit canal. Avui deixarem Tarbert per remuntar el loch Fyne fins a la vila d'Ardrishaig, on iniciarem la segona etapa d'avui. Doncs pretenem fer almenys la meitat del canal Crinan. Però aviat descobrirem que els nostres plans són massa ambiciosos. El canal de Crinan és un canal navegable de 9 miles de longitud. Es va inaugurar al 1801 i connecta el poble d'Ardrishaig a loch Fyne amb el Crinan, a l'estret de Jura, proporcionant una ruta navegable entre el fiord de Clyde i les Hèbrides interiors, sense necessitat d'un llarg desviament al voltant de la península de Kintyre i en particular l'exposat Mull of Kintyre. Sortim de Tarbert i anem a agafar el Crinan Canal. Hem posat un riff a la genoa perquè la previsió és de vent fort, però aquí no n'hi ha vent ni n'hi ha res. Bueno, el Crinan Canal està allí, és un passeig.
I think we're going to have to put a bit more in the... There seems to be wind over there. I can see it on the water.
Maybe?
I think if we put a bit of... Get over there.
Yeah. Get in there at some point.
Speed up a bit like.
Jordi, el nostre millor mariner, tenia raó i vam trobar el vent. Bolero. Yeah, better away a little bit. Or maybe we should put the sheet a bit in.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay.
Well, is it gonna be?
Give it to me. El que estic fent servir és un invent anomenat docking stick. El vaig veure per primer cop fer servir a Patrick Laine en el seu vídeo episodi número 32, que us deixaré als comentaris. Vaig buscar a internet i el vaig trobar, però a un preu potser una mica excessiu. Em vaig adonar que es tracta només de 2 tubs, un d'ells tallats per la meitat i subjectes amb reblons, de manera que em vaig fabricar el meu propi. I ara veurem si funcionen. Això. Yeah. But it's in the other side, in the starboard side. I think. Ardrishaig Sea Loch in Crinan Canal. Ardrishaig Sea Loch in Crinan Canal. This is sailing boat Marisa. Marisa, over. Jordi, I can see where I'm going. What, sorry?
Yeah, it's on.
Oh yeah, it's on. In the case that the sea lock is open, we have to put the long lines and then we'll start. They will be there, so
Just go in.
Yeah, just
Yeah. but then will be the long lines. The long lines are there. Everybody listening?
Yeah.
In case the sea lock is open, we go straight in, and then we need the long lines, the white and the blue below that one, the long ones.
Yeah, this one.
That one and the white below.
But the chances are it's not, because they would,
Yeah.
surely they would answer you if they're in the
It
gate.
might be open.
If they see you, they'll just open it, you know.
And what about the fenders?
Yeah, we'll put the fenders when we're close to the pier.
You have to get off the boat to attach the rope up on the...
No, in the first one. They are there. They will.
put
Yeah, we need the
down,
hooks for that
just
too.
put them round.
They grab the rope for you.
Maybe we should to get the yellow hook and put the rope somewhere, because the extension.
You can
You know,
lift
the
it up.
After the first one?
No, in the first one, to give it to them.
Unless
or
they
throw
usually
it.
have a pole, don't they?
No.
No, they don't. Can't remember.
Just the boat hook. Just put it around the end of the boat hook.
Yeah, but this one in each side.
What was that?
Need two hooks, you know.
Together. Yeah. They're like zeros, like all you.
They send it like a gift. Like the rusty scissors.
You want to put the fenders already? What do you think?
Yeah, I think so, boys.
Okay.
Fenders out.
You did one?
Oh,
You did one?
I did one. Yeah. That was my job for today.
What? Asia flag.
What's an anchor here?
The one then. Yeah.
What could be you at the anchor? That's the waiting ponton.
See, I told you it's the other side.
Claire, I used following the diagram that I have here. No, it's in the side I say. It's at that side, starboard.
Well, there's both sides. You can wait on both sides of it.
No, starboard.
Starboard side?
Yeah.
It's closed, doesn't it?
Is it opening?
No, cars are crossing it.
Can't see well because that paddleboard.
You'll have to tell me where he is off the
Yeah,
boat.
I can't see with the paddleboard.
Many meters?
Not sure what. Closest. This way?
Yeah.
This way?
Yeah, you're okay. About 10 meters. 5, 4.
Okay, you're now level with the pontoon.
Yeah,
Running
level.
alongside the pontoon
You're
now.
about 2 meters off it.
You're perfect. Perfect.
They're blowing you off though.
No, will blow me in, I think.
Sure.
Just wait, just wait. It's gonna blow you in, it's gonna blow him in.
We're going to hard turn to the left now.
I just hook on to the first one we get to.
Right, back, Tommy, back.
There, go on this one.
Back.
Yeah, got it. Have it. Okay. Perfect.
Good. Perfect landing.
So estem a la porta d'entrada vale? Del canal de Crinan, Crinan Canal. I ara hem de veure si ens deixen passar. De moment està tancat. Trucarem a veure.
One big star on them. Monrovia.
Sea lock in Ardrishaig side of Crinan Canal. This is sailing boat Marisa. Sailing boat Marisa, over. Not for the bow, I think. Well, no. Passings? Sorry?
Have you done it before?
Yeah, the other way. If I did that before. If I had did that before.
I know that boat, Sandpaper.
Sandpaper, yeah?
I don't know if it's Belfast or Bangor, but it's.
What's going on there? Must to have a problem.
We don't really need to.
Yeah, exactly. As I'm saying, he's sworn in. He's like, I think he like PTs like 2 people now in the morning, and that's it. I want to like go like sign up for PT and like I only want Nick PT. Like I won't get trained by anyone else. Canal water on the night cold run. I want like some like apprentice. But it's Master Sheep food, but it's just Nick VD. It's just like Nick VD. It's like Nick VD's like, this is them. Under the mat.
Okay. De sort. Quan surti aquest entrem nosaltres.
The beer's just like bigger.
No sé per què va tan a poc.
But I'm pretty sure like
In the moment she pass,
I'm pretty sure we can get a bus.
you drop that one, drop the other, jump in, slide.
Is that the big boat? Yeah. Moby Dick.
Moby Dick.
German. Where's your friend, Jordy?
That's not the boat we're on.
Wasn't it?
Okay, in. Gee, no fender.
Hit the fender, yeah, okay.
No hay fender ahí. She's in starboard side.
I don't understand what's going on. Is that the port side?
She's in starboard side. The gill. The gill is in starboard side.
She's on the port side.
Port side.
She's on the port
Starboard side. No, she's there.
Port side?
She's in port side. And starboard side, sorry. She's in starboard side. Give it the one with the bow line.
You need the.
This one, come on. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's
This one?
tie this
Yeah.
to the boat then?
Yeah. No, don't tie it.
Okay.
Just give it the line to her, and then we pass to the.
Here, Jordy, you need this.
Yeah.
Probably reach. And here, I can hold it. Put it on top.
Put it on top. Surely that's not gonna work. But, yeah, and then just put it upwards.
What's your foot on?
That's so tall. I'll give you this.
think we'll have to walk more past this thing.
Yeah. Look at the beans. No Russians.
Past the gate. You're past it now.
Ian la está liando.
What about this side?
Take this one. Take this one.
Right, can you pull it through, man? Back one, pull it through. You just get that out. Yeah. You get it off, get it off. Good.
Help Ian. I don't know what he's doing.
No, he's okay.
Okay, hold this one. Want to see.
Man.
Ian, what's wrong?
What?
What's wrong?
Nothing's good. There's another rope tied onto this.
Ah, yeah. So you got it, yeah?
Right.
That's it. Yeah, remember that you need to keep. No, we're going up. So you need to short. So this is the maximum. Well, we don't know how are the other locks. So we're okay here, yes? Yeah. Okay. Disgusting. What time you close? Half four? Yeah. Oh, half four is finished. Well, so probably here then. Yeah. Yeah. So it's only this lock, no? And that's the basin. And we'll have time tomorrow to do everything before lunchtime. Okay. 8 o'clock in the morning, yeah? 8 o'clock in the morning. Do tomorrow then. Okay, ready? Ready there?
That camera. Come here.
His camera. Your camera. Your camera.
Yes. Bag is like it's all tied.
Per als que mai no han sentit com funciona un canal, la seva raó és per salvar un desnivell a terra.
Okay, it's not bad.
Amb aquest sistema podem pujar muntanyes amb els vaixells. Ara, l'aigua entra per la reclosa superior i no es pot escapar per la inferior, pujant el nivell de l'aigua i, per tant, el vaixell al nivell superior. Quan s'igualin, podrem obrir la reclosa superior i sortir al nivell més alt. Hem de fer això 14 vegades. Bé, 7 de pujada i 7 de baixada, fins a arribar a l'altra banda. La intenció era fer-ne 7 avui i 7 demà, però avui només en podrem fer un. I demà ja veurem.
Ja estem arribant. Ja veus el nivell de l'aigua a l'altre costat. Hem d'arribar allà. Així hem de pujar la muntanya. Amb el velè. Què us sembla? she has to open the bridge too, not just the...
Not too many though, because I know.
Well, Ian, right. Wait.
Let's have a good look rocking around the cup of bird shouting.
Don't do it from there, because he has to give it to you.
I need to open that up.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm just taking this down. Oh yeah.
So we'll stay there.
What?
We'll stay here.
Is there another? No. Is there another bridge? No. We go through and there's a little pontoon. Yeah.
We don't go to the other lock.
No, we just have that. It's on the port side.
So why we have to wait for these people? I don't understand.
I don't know.
I used to make it all in one go. Okay, Ian, we think we can.
Alright, relax. I'll do the back one first because the wind's pushing us this way.
Okay.
He's still pitching.
Okay.
Oh, the close one probably, she's about to leave.
Yeah.
What are you doing?
He's looking where I have to go and jump in first.
Alright. All I have to do is walk and meet you over there.
Yeah.
That's the ferry.
Okay, we're going to port side then.
Yeah.
Lines.
Watch Tommy.
I need lines here. I need a line here in port side.
Come, move.
Will we do the sticks or just normal lines?
This is normal lines. Well, this jump.
Thank you for your patience. Our skipper was all having a look away.
Can't see.
Okay.
Now I can turn, no?
Yeah. Probably.
Hello? Oh no, stay on the boat,
Okay, tell me the distance.
$6 meters. 4 meters. We're done.
electric.
No, set.
Coming in, plenty. Right.
Okay, Jordi, hold that one. Quick, quick. Oh, very good. He got it too.
Big long legs, you just... I think that's an hour antenna for
Do
TV.
that.
That's people's gardens, no?
Bueno, doncs ens han recomanat que ens quedem aquí aquesta nit perquè les coses van molt lentes i només són les 4, 2:45, però diuen que ja tanquen, que millor demà, perquè si passem un altre lloc ens quedarem a un lloc sense facilities ni res. Aquí estem connectats i hi ha lavabo. Llavors ens quedem aquí aquesta nit, aquesta tarda i aquesta nit, i demà pel matí a les 8 comencem el nostre viatge cap a Crinan. Aquí està Marisa, que ningú li molestarà aquesta nit. Estem a... How you call this place?
Ardrishaig.
Ardrishaig. So, la gent d'aquí no pot pronunciar, però jo ni ho intento. Ok, bueno. Forgotten language. The Row of Ardrishaig. Això és el nom del ple. Aquest és el lloc, Ardrishaig. The Britain's most captivating shortcut. Diuen que és el tall més bonic de Gran Bretanya.
Where the canal was built, there's only 4 houses here.
It's not too many more, no? Not too many more. Not too many more. That's 4.
Ja som al canal de Crinan. Avui hem dedicat el migdia a amarrar en aquesta puntona. Després creuar aquesta reclosa, creuar aquest pont i tornar a amarrar en una altra puntona a escassos 200 metres de la primera. El canal de Crinan ja no és una drecera, és un viatge a Ítaca per si mateix, on la tripulació aprèn que el temps és relatiu. Aquí no es ve a córrer ni a fer curses. És temps per relaxar-vos i gaudir de l'entorn. Avui, Marisa dormirà aquí, en aquest entorn privilegiat, pràcticament al jardí d'alguna de les famílies que es desperten cada matí amb les vistes al fiord de Faen i amb veïns nous cada cop que arriba un vaixell. Demà continuarem aquest increïble viatge muntanya amunt i passarem la reclosa número 2. Potser passarem la número 3 i potser la 4. No ho sé. No importa. Estem en família i amb amics. I som a casa. A Marisa. Però, com si fos un truc de màgia, ens despertem cada matí amb vistes i veïns diferents. I ara m'agradaria recordar, si no us fa res, uns versos que recitava en Machado i que cantava el mestre del meu barri, el mestre Serrat. Todo pasa y todo queda, pero lo nuestro es pasar haciendo caminos sobre la mar. Caminante, son tus huellas el camino y nada más. Caminante, no hay camino, se hace camino al andar. Al andar se hace camino y al volver la vista atrás se ve la senda que nunca se ha de volver a pisar. Caminante, no hay camino, sino estelas en la mar. Em sap greu, el joc em va posar malenconiós. No hi ha gaire cosa a contar d'Ardrishaig. És un joc encantador, però molt petit, un joc de pas. Així que ho deixarem aquí, però abans d'acomiadar-me us prego que, si us ha agradat, sisplau, us subscriviu al canal. A vosaltres no us costa res i és important per a mi. M'està costant més del que pensava mantenir aquest canal i, si no rebo almenys la satisfacció que algú està escoltant a l'altra banda, haurem de deixar de compartir les nostres aventures en català, ja que sembla que no hi ha audiència. No busco diners, no busco ser un youtuber, ja que hauria triat l'anglès. Busco fer alguna cosa per la nostra llengua, però no puc fer res sense la vostra ajuda. Deixeu-me els comentaris d'ànim o de descrèdit per saber on m'estic movent. Fins aviat, amics.